Coaches and consultants, do you ever have an amazing brainstorming call, but then you procrastinate for weeks on actually building the course outline and sales page? Stop stalling. I found AI that actually listens to your brain dumps and codes a stunning, ready to launch sales page in seconds. Alrighty folks, so we do actually have TickNote in our Google extensions right here. We're going to open it up. Now what you got to realize is TickNote, when it's running, other people in the meeting can't actually see it. So it's actually super handy. You're going to whack that language over English and pop the translation onto English as well. So it does just take a moment to translate sometimes, but it always does come up. So this technology, folks, is just absolutely impeccable. So let's go and start the recording. I want to create a course teaching how to use AI tools to launch digital products faster, because you have beginners create it. Offers build landing page, automate marketing engage face clients, want to go on to moderate some others on all audio research AI, content creation 2. Offer a pack in landing pages, page generation, automation flow. The AI smoke calm should launch a digital product in Fountain. Okay, so as we can see here, you can change that really easily. So if we just want to go over to Spanish, it's going to make it Spanish, which is really, really cool. Got lots of different languages too. Leave that as English. You can change that one over to Spanish too. Okay, so we're going to stop that recording, and the recording is completed, and it's going to be over in the studio section now, the summary of that meeting that we have just had, or just the brainstorming. So again, you might be having a meeting with someone, or you might just be having a brainstorm on your own, and it's going to create everything that you basically need for that. Okay, so we've got Shadow over here, who is our AI agent that's going to get all the work done for us today. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a new project right here. Go ahead and rename this one AI product, we'll call it, and we'll confirm that there. Okay, so AI product, that's opened up. This is your personal project. You can organize files and work with the agent here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and have a crack at uploading a new file and recording right here. So we're going to scroll back up to the top, have a look at this one right here. We're going to move this one over to the AI product, which is the new project that we just created. We're going to hit confirm, and that's basically what should just quite easily drag that over. It's going to be our little file there. We can hit the arrow that brings our drop down menu, and there it is. You can see right here the self-expression that we've just done. Motivational reflection on vision and self-expression. As you can see, it's 31 seconds long, and look at it. It's already organized itself into lots of different sections here. Core topics, topic 1, 2, 3, the key data, the key Q&As, core insights, including encouragement, regret, avoidance, visibility and impact, self-belief, decision results. Everything's here. Follow-up actions. I mean, how good is the simple fact that the AI has been able to summarize that? We've also got the transcript. I personally love the mind map. If you've got this like up on a really big board, say in the conference room, you're going to be able to see that in terms of like the aha section here. You've got a little area there. Happy to explore these inspiring reflections together. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so we're just going to drag that straight over to Shadow, right? So we can drag that file straight over to Shadow, okay? And we're going to basically put our prompt in there. Okay, so we want to basically generate a structured course curriculum document covering the target audience learning objective, 5 core modules, and the expected outcomes. Use a clean professional format with clear section headers, okay? As well as an executive style document formatting. Okay, so it's got the modules here at a glance. So it's been able to actually go ahead and create the entire course. I mean, how good is it? Got the different learning objectives. So just open that right up so you can see the different course modules, mindset shifts, selling outcomes, not processes, okay? Really, really good that it's been able to break this all down. All the different modules, the key topics, the activities, the key takeaways. I mean, it's quite impressive how TickNote is able to actually go ahead and do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it another prompt. All right, now we want to turn the core value propositions from this curriculum into a high converting course sales landing page. Include a bold hero section with an attention grabbing headline, a 3-step what you'll learn section with icons, a testimonial block and vibrant enroll now CTA button. Use a modern clean SaaS design style with polished visual hierarchy and a web page style layout. So let's see what kind of web page style layout can be generated here. All right, I mean, how cool is this? Look at that. It's got the button, enroll now, it's free. see the curriculum. Let's get it up full screen so we can really see. I mean, this is absolutely crazy that it was able to get basically exactly what we wanted into a web page in virtually less than 20 seconds. I mean, normally this would cost thousands of dollars. It would take maybe a month's time. You got to get people involved. There'd probably be mistakes, but right here on TikNote Cloud, you can basically get it done in literally seconds with the different sections all here. I mean, this is just absolutely ridiculous. And again, the button's right there, so you can enroll and get started right away. I mean, what does this mean for the potential efficiency of your business going forward? Everything seems to be here. And I actually really love the color palette that they've naturally chosen, not just random AI. Like Shadow AI really manages to actually get the generation bang on with the colors, everything, combinations. Okay, now if you want to go ahead and basically download it, it's really easy to do it. You can translate it, you can even re-summarize it if you want, rename it of course, and delete it. Got all the different languages here, right? They're all here, Japanese, French, Vietnamese, every language you could imagine, you can do it. You can translate it across. So we'll just give you a bit of a demonstration right here, okay? Say we want to pop it over into Spanish. Let's just see how efficient this is going to be at doing that. Generating our content. Okay, and look at that, bang, it's over in Spanish. The whole thing, the summary has been generated into Spanish in a matter of seconds. I mean, what do you reckon? Let us know in the comments if you think that that's impressive. And you can click just here to open the sales landing page again, so we can basically open that up. Stop letting your messy ideas just sit in notebooks. Turn your knowledge into a launched product in minutes with this incredible AI. Grab your free TikNote Cloud account using the link in the description below.